Hi guys, welcome to my channel. HP Victor touchpad is not working, so how to fix? Okay, means working but suddenly it's stop, sometime not working. So you can see this video and fix this your laptop issues. Okay, so first enable touchpad from the Windows. Click to start. Type, click on setting. After that, click on Bluetooth and device. Then scroll down and touchpad, and then you can see if it is off, so please turn on it and then close it. Second, check driver and from the disk management. So click to start, type device manager, click on it. After that, find out woman interface, extract this. So this is your touchpad. Okay, so select the touchpad, woman interface, mic, other point device. Also you can see also in this sometime. So in these two windows, name, find out the touchpad. So you can see here touchpad here, right click to uninstall it. Click to uninstall. It will removed. Then click to action. Then click to scan hardware changes. Okay. And then it will come back again. Then close it. Then install the latest driver of your touchpad. Open any browser and in the type the Google search box to HP Victor 15 driver. Okay, after that you can see this is first hp.com, this official website, and driver download always official website only, manufacturing company from. Okay, so this is your laptop. Scroll down, select your operating system, then click to submit. After that it will show the driver. Okay, so extract keyboard, mouse, input device. Scroll down, you can see touchpad driver. Okay, and click to download. So when you click to download, it will start a downloading in the download box. So it is completed. Single click to open it. And then click to next. Then I accept. This is the actual touchpad driver, guys. You can see in the title. Next. Next. So it is installed. Okay. Then next is very important for your system. So click to start. Type cmd. This is command for the Windows repair, restore some corrupted file. Sometime what happened, it will work slowly. That's why also. So search on the Google search box to type. Right click to run as administrator, and then type sfc /scan now, and then hit enter. So after that it will start the percentage, and it will take 5 to 10 minutes to scan your system, and then it is completed. Then need to restart your system. It 100% required. Okay, and restart, and after that you can check. So if your issue is resolved, so please comment me. If not, so comment, I will create another video. Thank you.